Hey guys, and happy Valentine's Day. So for today's video, it is my last tutorial on a Valentine's look. This, I wanted to make it super special because Valentine's is one of my favorite holidays because I got married today last year. So I wanted to bring you this beautiful look with a lot of glitter and a lot of gold. So that this is pretty much the look, guys. Hopefully I enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We had hit 100 subscribers. So guys, thank you so much for that. Also, if you haven't subscribed, do it now. Do not forget to thumbs this up and share. Thank you. So guys, for this video, I wanted to go back and use my BH palette. I know I used this on my last video, but I wanted to use it again because I really liked that it has a bunch of colors. And I usually don't play with color. I stay to my neutrals, but I wanted to make this a little bit different, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the blending brush, any blending brush that you have in front of you. And I'm gonna go in with my Sonia Kashuk and just grab any brown shade. And I'm gonna go in with this brown shade that I have here. So now that we have finished adding that brown transition color, I'm gonna go back to the palette and I'm gonna be grabbing these colors right here. Okay, so now that we have kind of achieved this red looking mess, I'm gonna go in with a concealer brush and I'm gonna be cleaning up the middle of the center of the eye because I'm gonna go in with glitter. Yes, again, glitter. I freaking love glitter. I think, yeah, no, this is. So I'm gonna go back with the two red shades here. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and I'm just gonna be dipping it in the red color here. And I'm gonna be using this to darken the top. Guys, so now that we finished cleaning up this, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful glitter here. I found this at my local supply store and it's super beautiful. I got it only for $1.99, so I would suggest for you to go pick it up. The name is Gold Road and it was only $1.99. And it's by J.Cat, so I really like it. I feel like it's not a, it's like a mini glitter, but you get a lot for $1.99. I feel like that it's amazing. So where I cleaned up the lid, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced glitter glue. I love this. I did try the hard candy, but I feel like you have to work pretty fast with this. So I'm probably gonna add both of them to it. So I'm gonna go first with the Too Faced. And again, I'm gonna go in with that flat brush that I used. And I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of that hard candy and put this in the middle of the eye. I might tilt my head back and I'm just gonna be applying. I'm gonna be applying a little bit more of the red. So I'm gonna go in with my NYC and add an eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my concealer and my MAC 212, and I'm gonna be cleaning under my eyebrows a little bit. Brush, and I'm gonna go in again with the dark red here. So I'm gonna go back with this lashes here, and I know I've been using them a lot in my videos, but I really truly love them. I feel like they fit my eye perfectly and they're super wispy. So I'm gonna go in with mascara and just kind of prep my lashes for the falsies.
You claim this love that you never started. You once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back.
Guys, so this is the final look. I am gonna be back with my foundation and everything else, but this is the look. What do you guys think? And I'm gonna be smoking out the bottom lash line, but before we go do that, I'm gonna go back to the palette and I'm gonna be grabbing that red shade here and here and just making sure that the red is visible and we didn't lose it. So I'm gonna go back with this dual MAC brush and I'm just gonna go back to the palette and grab the red shade here. And I'm gonna be smoking out my bottom lash line. So I'm gonna be grabbing this Milani dual brow pencil and I'm gonna be placing this in the eyebrow. Or the bottom of the eyebrows, I mean. Just to give it a little bit of a highlight. I'm gonna go in with my Milani-Corallina Blush and I'm gonna be popping this on the apples of my cheeks. Just to give me some color. But I'm gonna go in with this gloss here. And this, I got it from Forever 21 a while back, but I just love it. It doesn't stay for too long, but I really like the pigmentation and also the color. Guys, I wanted to add a little bit of a glow to my face because I feel like I still look kind of matte. So I'm going to go in with the Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit. And I'm going to be grabbing Glow Getter. Now this is the final look. Hopefully you enjoy. I really had fun making this look. This was a little bit out of my comfort zone just because I don't really use color. But now I want to try a little bit to add a little bit more color into my life. But this is the final look.